3a first, 3a. How do I get this 3 over 25 minus 4 over 25i? So our question is 1 over 3 plus 4i. So we want to standardize in terms of a plus bi. We need to rationalize. Remember, when we rationalize, we have to use the conjugate, which is 3 minus 4i. So we cannot simply times with 1 over 3 over 4i. So remember, if you want to make it or you want to create something like this, 1 over 3 plus 4i, you want to times with anything, you have to make sure you get back the same thing. Okay, so 1 over 3 plus 4i, you times with what number, you get back 1 over 3 plus 4i. You can only times with 1. Okay, anything times 1, they get back the original form. So 2 over 2 is 1, right? 5 over 5 also 1. As long as you have this numerator and denominator same value, it is equals to 1. So since we want to times, we want to rationalize, and we need to use the complex conjugate at the denominator here, 3 plus 4i, which is you use 3 minus 4i. So on top also you have to use 3 minus 4i. So 3 minus 4i over 3 minus 4i is also equals to 1. So this is relevant. So this you can use. This is how I get. So the denominator you need to times is what we have done here. Okay, so you will have on top I times, I get 3 minus 4i. At the denominator I times, I get this. So you have 3 over 25 minus 4i over 25. That's how I get for A, 3a. Okay, similarly with B, 3b. So how do we solve for 3b? We have 7 plus 4i over 2 minus 5i. So which one to use? Remember, when we want to rationalize the denominator, okay, the bottom part here, we want to rationalize so that we have in terms of a plus b, we only see at the bottom part. On top is okay, alright, but at the bottom part is 2 plus 5i. You want to rationalize this, we only take into account the denominator. So denominator is 2 minus 5i. Again, we use this concept. We use this concept that we want to we want to times 1 with the original form. So this is the original form. We want to times 1, so I can only times with, we want the conjugate is 2 plus 5i. 2 plus 5i. Okay, so if bottom is 2 plus 5i, on top also plus. So how do I get this plus? I look at the denominator here, 2 minus 5i. So conjugate will be opposite, 2 plus 5i. Okay, so we times. So this is quite a lot of working. Okay, so 2 times 2, I have 4 plus 10i minus 10i minus 25i squared. On top, 7 times 2, 14 plus 7 times 5, 35i, 4 times 2 plus 8i, and then 4 times 5 plus 20i squared. Okay, don't cancel here and here, wrong. It's a sin to do that. Okay, solve on top first and then solve at the bottom. Not enough space. Okay, we try 14. So 35 plus 8, 35 plus 8i. So 35 plus 8, you will have 43. Remember, the I is like 3x, 35x plus 8x. You have 43x. But here is I lah. Alright, so 20i squared. What is I squared? Negative 1. So negative 1 times 20, negative 20. Okay, bottom 4. Wah, 4 no friend. So 10 minus plus 10i minus 10i. No more 10i. No more I. Okay, now negative 25 times with I square. I square is negative, so negative 1 times negative 25 plus 25. So you will have here 14 minus 20 minus 6 plus 43i at the bottom here over 29. So we put this as A plus BI.